Okay.
What's up guys, iZotair here, and I am back with a new tutorial. And this tutorial I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial on character, following mouse, and being able to shoot. So I've already set up everything, so I'm just gonna go through it with you. First you can create a sprite. I just created this bald looking object. Looks robot. Say robot. And then in your play you want to make sure you check center, or else when you make your player rotate with the mouse it will not work properly. In your sprite bullet, I just drew a bullet with a rotation, and I did the same in the player. What you're gonna do is go animation, rotation sequence, counterclockwise, and do through 359. And then, so it should create this spinny thing. I did the same to the bullet, and you want to make sure in the bullet you want the size to be kind of, you want to make it wide, or else if you make it if your bullet is wide like mine and you do rotation, the rotation will get out of the image, so that won't work. So you should do it to mine. You can see that when it spins everything fits in the image. So yeah, okay, in the wall I just drew this wall, just any wall. You can just draw your own wall, or find a wall online. And so let's start in the object player. Object player, you want to execute this code. Okay, so what this code did is it has image index, so that's telling the giving the rotation in the sprite, and this is giving direction to the mouse, so it's telling you to follow the mouse, and speed equals 0, so it doesn't move. But if the keyboard checks what I did here is odd W brackets or brackets W and close brackets, and what this does is checks for keyboard to do for example up, down, left and right. You do odd any other key, but you have to do odd for alphabets. So if I want to do up, for example, you go VK underscore up, so that's up arrow key, but I'm gonna stick it to odd because I prefer WASD. So yeah, and you can do speed 5, maybe 5. You can change that to whatever you like. Okay, so you want to do collision object wall and do move contact, and you're going to do direction maximum 12, but it has to be higher than the speed of your player. So yeah, against solid objects. Global left press, you want to create instance, and you do object bullet. You want to create a bullet before, and the object bullet. For the X and Y here, I didn't actually know how you get the exact place, so I kind of just played around with it until I got it perfect. And you want to make sure you take relative. Speed 5 and direction equals direction, or speed can be whatever you feel like. Let's see if I missed something around here. No. Okay, so that's the object player. Object bullet, you want to do a create event, and you want to move towards mouse underscore X and mouse underscore Y and speed of 10. So that's basically making the thing move towards, and this is the same as before. This is just letting it rotate in your direction that you're in. And then I just did a collision wall event destroy instance, and in the object wall I just put nothing in there. So now you just want to, next step, you want to set up your room. So I just made this room. You can do whatever you like in your room. And yeah, so I'll show that it works. I have a little glitch on collision with wall, but you know, that's fine, as you can see. But as you can see, the bullets fire, you can move back and forth, and everything is good. So, so you can probably add some enemies next. Have them all having like a killing a massacre. So yeah, spam your mouse. If you like a machine gun type thing, I was gonna try this out. I haven't actually tried it. I just gonna change event. And if you want like a machine gun type thing, you wanna do left pressed, if I'm correct. So now it's like a machine gun. Huh, okay. That'll work. Left button. Let's try left button. That didn't work either. Global mouse. Global left press. I'm just playing around right now. So yeah, nah, that doesn't work. But yeah, so I'll just end this tutorial here. And yeah, I hope you guys like the tutorial. Leave a comment if you have any troubles. And like the video and subscribe. And hopefully in the next episode I'll show you guys how you add enemies in your area, in your little room. So thanks for watching.